Is National Chai Day a celebration of culture or just a clever marketing trick? Let's sip the truth behind the hype. Did you know that over 90 million cups of chai are enjoyed in the US every year? That's a lot of chai. But have you ever thought that National Chai Day is just a clever marketing trick? Let's talk about National Chai Day. It's celebrated on September 21st every year, and chai lovers everywhere get excited. But is it really a celebration of chai's cultural significance, or is there something else going on? Here's the issue. National Chai Day is heavily commercialized. Brands promote their products as if they're the ultimate chai experience. But is it really about honoring this traditional drink, or just a way to make money? With ads and discounts flooding our feeds, it's hard not to feel like we're being pushed to buy something rather than genuinely celebrate chai's rich history. Now let's go back to the roots of chai. It's more than just a drink. It's a cultural symbol, especially in India. Chai has been enjoyed for centuries, bringing people together in social and familial gatherings. But now it's being marketed in all forms, from chai lattes to bottled versions. The focus has shifted from tradition to commercialization, making you wonder if we've lost the true essence of chai. Here's the interesting part. There's a growing movement among chai lovers and cultural advocates who question the legitimacy of National Chai Day. They're asking, are we truly celebrating chai or just falling for a marketing gimmick? Many don't even know the origins of the drink they're celebrating. So what's the takeaway? National Chai Day sounds fun, but it's often wrapped up in commercialism. We need to appreciate the cultural significance of chai, not just treat it as another product to buy. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about National Chai Day? Marketing gimmick or genuine celebration? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to check out my other content. Let's keep this conversation going.